Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very special and very interesting because today I'm going to try out some new makeup products that recently launched in India. These are the makeup products that I received in PR and I'm so grateful for that. I really want to thank every single brand from the bottom of my heart for sending me these amazing products to try out. I do obviously purchase a lot of makeup, but sometimes brands, they send me their newly launched products. It actually helps me to test more products for you guys, and today I'm gonna try them out in front of you and I'm gonna show you how they work. There are one or two products I already tried, but some are new, like brand new products that recently launched. So let's get started. From Fix My Curls, this is the hydrating hair mist, and this is supposed to be like a leave-in hair mist which is going to give you texture and a little bit of a fragrance to your hair. My hair is already pretty textured and I used a curling cream to curl them. Let's see how it works. I'm just going to... It's a really beautiful tropical type of a smell which I really love. This is supposed to add hydration, shine, and it's going to refresh your hair. So I guess I'm gonna test this out more. Now it feels very soft after using it, and also the fragrance is amazing. So I think it's a beautiful product. Whenever I'm traveling and my hair smells like shit, I'm gonna spray this all over my hair and it's gonna refresh it. Pixie sent me their newly launched eye patches and I'm very excited because I haven't tried any eye patches from Pixie before. It's a nourishing eye patch and it contains 30 pairs of eye patch. I'm just going to open it and show you how it looks. So here you have a spatula, of course, just to pick the product, and here is the eye patch. I'm just going to scoop one and I'm gonna use it today. Wow, this feels very cooling and very hydrating. It's perfect if you have puffy eyes like me. This is the product that I already tested and it's been like 3-4 days. This is from 82E and this is their newly launched Sandalnut Bloom Soothing Cream Moisturizer, and it's for normal to dry skin. This is the only reason I hate eye patches, because they always slip, and I am truly loving this product. This product is amazing, especially my skin is getting dry, I don't know, for some reason, and this is the perfect product for you. This is what the consistency looks like. It's a pretty thick consistency. I just love the smell of this moisturizer. It smells so beautiful and it's very hydrating, not like sticky oily hydrating, which I hate when it comes to moisturizer. It gives you the perfect amount of hydration, as it feels very lightweight on the skin, which is amazing. This is the first time I'm trying out few products from 82E, so I'm gonna try out their face wash and the moisturizer together for a few months and I'm gonna test it out and see how it works. So it's time to remove the eye patches, and my eye area, as you guys can see, is very hydrated and wow, it feels so good. Don't really know about the puffiness, but it's definitely very hydrating, and this is what my skin looks like after using the moisturizer and the eye patch, and I'm absolutely in love. The next product is a primer, and we are moving forward to makeup products. This is from Mars and this is it's Glow Clock Gripping Primer. I used this product before. I don't know if it's reformulated or something like that, but they sent me this product and I just have to try it out and see how it works. I'm a big fan of the Glow Clock primer. Packaging is all same, and I don't know if they changed anything or not, but I'm definitely going to try it out with a new foundation today. Just took one pump and I'm just going to use it on my face. By the way, for 5 minutes before going in with your primer, let your skin absorb all the moisturizer and everything on your skin, and then go in with your primer. See how glowy my skin looks, and it's the same product. I can't feel any difference. Oh, look at the glow this primer is giving me. It's absolutely insane. I know when I will carry this in my travel makeup pouch, it will come off this easily. So Mars, just fix these little things please, so that we can use it properly and this is a very beautiful glowing gripping primer, and I always compare this with the e.l.f. Power Grip primer that they have, and it's literally a dupe. So amazing, and I love this product. The next product is from La Mer, and this is their Glow Burst foundation, and I am very excited to try this product out. This is what the La Mer foundation looks like. It's a very viral product. This went absolutely viral, and because this is like a dupe of the Chanel foundation, which I'm gonna picture right over here, and the CoverGirl foundation, I guess, and it's like the Indian dupe you can get. Let's see how it works on my skin. So this is like a serum based foundation, so this is not going to give you crazy coverage, of course. It's going to give you a very thin layer. This shade is not my shade, it's way too light, but I'm gonna manage it. So this is what the La Mer foundation looks like. To be very honest, I am not feeling it. Like, I'm not, you know, loving the foundation that much. It's not a bad foundation, it's not a bad product, it's a really good product, gave me a beautiful glow, but for this one I have to test it out once more to see how I feel about this, because I don't know, I'm just not ready for, like, you know, a full-on review about this product. I have to know more about this product and how it sits, how it blends. Moving on to a very exciting product, which is from PAC. They sent me this on-the-go Glam eyeshadow palette, and this is their newly launched palette, by the way, which I'm very excited to try out and test out. So let's see how it looks. PAC, they always come up with very professional type of products, and this, wow, this feels so good. This is the on-the-go palette, and it feels really good. Like, it's plastic, but it is like a magnetic type of a product, so very high quality, feels very high-end at the same time. This is what the palette looks like, and here we have the color story. Wow, I can do so many looks with this palette. In this palette you get a lot of neutral shades. This is more of a neutral type of a palette, and you do get some smoky shades at the same time, beautiful shimmery shades as well. This is the close-up. Contains beautiful matte shades, beautiful smoky shades, and some beautiful glitters. And this is the color story. I'm really impressed with the color story and how the palette overall looks and overall feels. Let's do a quick eye makeup look with this. I'm gonna start with this particular color. I'm just going to blend this out all over my eyelid as a transition shade. Take a more smaller brush, dip into a little bit more darker shade, and then I'm gonna move towards this color. Mats are like very soft touch, which I really love. The outer corner, I'm gonna bring a little bit of smokiness. With a very light hand, I'm just building the color and smoking up this area. Just loving how easily I can work with this eyeshadow palette. Like, it feels very high quality, very high end, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna take a very small brush, and I'm gonna do the same thing on my lower lash line. And now I am gonna take this foiled metallic golden shade, which is absolutely insane. This is, wow. I'm just gonna use it on top of my eyelid. With a very light hand, we want to give a little bit of golden touch. This is what the eye makeup looks like. I absolutely love how it looks. This palette is worth purchasing. Like, if you want to get a neutral, everyday friendly plus occasional friendly eyeshadow palette, go for this one from PAC. It's amazing. The quality is so good, very beginner friendly. The shades are very easy to work with. The formula is absolutely insane, and the shimmer shades are so high quality. I can literally compare this palette with the Natasha Denona one because of the formula. It's amazing. And this is what my eye makeup looks like. As you guys can see, it's very subtle, but I did a very quick smoky type of a look with some matte shades, some shimmer shades. I have two very interesting newly launched products from CRAYON. So this is the CRAYON, I think, Celestial Glow Cream Highlighter. This is what it looks like. And this is Pink Opal. This is a cream blush. So let's try these two together for today. First, I'm going to use the blush, and this is what the color looks like. I'm in love how it looks. Also, this is a dupe of the Nude Sticks blush because it looks very similar. This is the color, and I'm very excited to see how it's gonna work on my cheeks. Very creamy. It's like a very subtle pink type of a color. It's not going with the eye makeup look, but it's okay. With this warm tone eye makeup look, definitely a warm, a fall tone blush will look pretty good. But this blush is very easy to blend, and it's giving me a very glowy look because of the highlighter this blush contains. I'm gonna try out the highlighter. I don't think I need more highlighter on my skin, but let's try this out. Blend this out. Wow, this actually looks like the Nude Sticks one. I'm gonna make a video, like a dupe video, so that you guys can see how it works. This is actually so pretty. It is very easy to apply. It's like very buttery, very soft, does not feel chunky at all, and working with my overall makeup really well. Okay, now I have this lip crayon kit from Love Earth, and I'm very excited to try this out. I personally love Love Earth products, and they have some amazing shades right over here. So you get 5 different shades in this. So here are the 5 lip crayons that you get in this kit. And I'm gonna go in with a very nudish neutral, very pigmented, and gives a matte finish and extremely lightweight at the same time. Tipsy actually launched a new lip plumper which looks something like this, and it's very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape one. I'm loving how Indian brands are coming up with beautiful dupe products, but I want them to come up with unique products as well. Like, they should stand out from the Western beauty brands as well, so that our Indian brands, we can say that we have many unique products from them. So this is what the Tipsy lip plumper looks like, and this is, I don't know the shade name. Okay, this is called Bubble Tea, and I think this nude shade is going to be perfect. Oh, this is so glowing. I just love the packaging where you can just twist the product and it's going to come out. It's not painful at all, but it feels minty on my lips. So I guess that's going to give me a plumpy effect. So this is the full face with all the products that recently launched in India. And what do you guys think? Let me know. I loved every single product from this video, but I didn't love the La Mer foundation. I'm gonna try it a few more times and I'm gonna see how to work with it, so that I can also let you guys know how you can work with it. This is what the makeup look looks like. I am in love with the blush. The eyeshadow palette is my absolute favorite. The lip combo is so good. The primer, the skincare product, everything was absolutely insane. And the lip crayons are also so amazing, but the foundation was like a mess, and I guess I'm gonna try it out a few more times. I'm gonna see how it works or if it's worth purchasing or not. What do you guys think of this makeup look? What do you guys think of this eye makeup look? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, or any video ideas maybe. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.